This outstanding washing machine from Miele is perfect for households who want a premium model with intelligent features. It has a rapid 1600 RPM spin speed, an excellent A++ energy rating, and a medium-sized 9 kg drum capacity. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. It's been tested for the equivalent of 20 years' use too, so you can have complete confidence in this model's outstanding build quality. Miele's convenient CapDosing system has been formulated to give fabrics specialist care. The tailor-made detergent capsules are pre-measured for precise cleaning power and released into the drum at the perfect point in the wash. So, whether you're washing delicate silks or expensive outdoor wear, caring for your clothes is incredibly simple. This model's ProfiEco Motor is quieter, more energy efficient and longer lasting than normal motors. Because it uses frictionless magnets instead of noisy brushes to power the machine, it's great for open plan living, as you can use it any time of the day, even when it's movie night. If you're looking for a premium washing machine with intelligent features, this outstanding model from Miele is the perfect choice.